Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling this ZIS-5 truck, Soviet Union one. So I'm just taking the hobby clippers and clipping away this piece there. There you go. And then we'll take that sprue, cut that away as well. And to my knowledge, everything is cut away that's needing to be cut away. So let's start gluing this together. So first of all, let's just put some glue down like that. Loctite glue. And then let's take this piece here and glue that together. You want to make sure that is going in the correct spot in the center there, nice and even. See, yeah. And by the way, while it's drying, this video is good for both the covered and the one without the canopy, the open truck, the open bed. This video is good for both. The assembly is the same. The only difference with the covered is it has that canopy instead of this. Up next, let's glue on this back piece here. Alright, and I'm just going to go ahead and get some tweezers. There we go. If you were wishing to not have this open, you could take some from your bits bin, some flat piece, and just glue that on the back there. And then let's glue on this top. Very good. And then glue on that top piece there. Great. Yeah, that's that. Now let's go ahead and put some glue here. And then you're going to put this piece, that. Yeah. And now, just put some glue down random spots like here and here. And just going to glue down the bed there. So it does have a difference. This is to there, and then this little area, that's the tailgate. Yep. Just try to get that into the center there. Great. Got that into the center. Now, let's put some glue down here and here. There and there. Bunch of glue. First of all, let's get this piece glued down like that. And next, let's put this little piece there. Good. Actually, we're trucking along. Now we just need to do the wheels. So put some glue there on those axles. Alright, and get that axle and make sure it's getting into the center of the wheel there. Axle, center of the wheel. And we're golden. We just need to do the other side now. Done with that glue bottle for now. All the tools and everything. Just get that last tire and the axle at the center of the wheel. There you go. So there's the ZIS-5 trucks Available miniaturetanks.com. These are the model kits. Thank you so much for watching.